Let me show you how to use auto captions in DaVinci Resolve. Let's say this is the video you're editing and now you want to add auto captions. Click the timeline, hover to AI tools, and click create subtitles from audio. So here, set your language. For the caption preset, I always leave it as is. For the maximum characters per line, I always lower it to 13 because for the vertical videos, you don't want long captions taking up the screen. For the line setting, I always leave it on single. Once you're done tuning the settings, click create. DaVinci Resolve will analyze your audio and automatically generate captions for you. To customize your captions, click the subtitle track, then click track. From here, you can change the text, color, size, and more. In the latest version of DaVinci, they added animated subtitles which are specifically for subtitle tracks. To use them, open the effects panel, click titles, and under titles, you will see animated. Click it. These are the customizable animated captions for your subtitle track. Let's try this one. I think I like this statement. So let's drag it onto our subtitle track. Okay. Click track and you'll see a bunch of settings so you can customize the caption. Let's adjust it to fit the branding. Let's see the result. First, drag your clip into the timeline. Now we have to unlink the video and the audio here in this clip. To do that, right click and then uncheck this link clip. Now we need to duplicate the video here. So to do that, select your video clip, press Alt and then drag upwards. Oh, there you go. By the way, AI is not very accurate, so I highly recommend that before you export, review the captions and look for wrong words and spelling. Correct it before you export. I hope this video helps your editing, and if you like this video, share it with your friends. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.